a Terrence kind of thing. Doesn't matter what you bring. Come and watch him do his thing. Cause it's a Terrence kind of thing. Hey, everybody. Your boy is still sick. So what I'm about to do, I went, I can't even think. Was it last night? I think so, like something like that. Night before last, I went to like a 7-Eleven. I got a couple things. I'm gonna head to Walgreens now and get some extra strength Mucinex and some more like vapor, the chest rub. Because at night, it seems like the coughs are worse, and that's pretty much what it is. Like, and I'm just like I got these like that constant cough, and I have an appetite, which is a blessing, and I've been checking my fever. I don't have a fever, never had a fever. But yeah, I don't know what is going on. It's the crud. It's the crud in me. And I want it gone. I want it out of me. So we're gonna go get that. And yeah, I told myself this weekend I'm just gonna relax. I'm just gonna relax. I'm gonna lay down. I'll try and get little bits and pieces and stuff, whatever, of some content out. But I'm just gonna try and relax. Obviously you guys have seen I've been kind of avoiding the live streams because every second I feel like I got a cough, and it's just like, oh, that constant oh. But anyway, guys, thank you so much again for your support, for the well wishes, for all the engagement. I really appreciate you guys. I'll be back. Hey guys, so this Walgreens is on the University Parkway, University Parkway, and again, it's not actually that far from the place that I'm staying. And then over here, you guys see there's a Wells Fargo. I go to that bank probably more than I need to. So it would be the first time I went to the Walgreens over here. I didn't even know it was one that close to where I'm staying. But again, I don't know, because sometimes you blog stuff. You guys ever done that where you put stuff into the search engine? Wow, it's right here. Where you put things into the search engine and it sends you like way out of the way. So yeah, that's crazy. All right, stay tuned. Oh, there's an Amscot. It's all kind of little good. It's just, it's so many things like in these cities, you know? It's so crazy. I know that's not a Kroger. I don't think that's a Kroger. I'm like, there's not a Kroger here. Oh, wow, this is a nice. Yeah, it's not handicapped. Guys, look. Talk about like coming early. I don't know what I'm talking about as far as quick. Huh, guys, stay tuned. No, that is always something hard to. I got so many dang cards in this wallet. I'm gonna put it. Maybe I'll grab a little bucket. And my hands will feel. Oh my god. That is strong, whatever that is. Oh my god. Dang. That is too strong. Okay. Go down. 25 or 26. Pain relief and cough and cold. Well, I'm not in that much pain. Let's go. Get under the weather. What do you guys use? I am super curious to find out what is the best thing to take. Look how high that is. Those are, I mean, it's medicine that's cheaper than, like, as far as prescription that's cheaper than that. It is so crazy. Look, the Walgreens brand is $14.99, and then the regular, oh no. Okay, so that's what it is. So 42 is 41, 28 tablets is 34 or 35. Pretty much $42 for 42 tablets, 35 bucks for 28. And that is the name brand, and then generic, which is Walgreens, is 28 tablets is 20 bucks, and 14 tablets is 15 bucks. So I think this is already like a bad deal, because there's 14 and then you gotta pay 15. So you're paying a little bit over $1 for each one, whereas here it's 28 and it's just 20. They do have buy one at $14.99 and get the other one for 50% off. I hope I don't need that much. Let me just say that. I just want this over with. Extended release. What's the difference? Oh, so that's just an expectorant. And then this is an expectorant and cough suppressor. Well, have you guys tried the Delsum Blue? Now, I got a family member that like swears by that. Me, I'm more of a Zycam person, because you know that's something that I feel like it like clears it up, you know, when it immediately starts. But if you don't take it like immediately, it just doesn't do anything. So right now it's just like, okay, I'm in it to stay in it for a little bit. So yeah, that's just not gonna work. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the I don't know, I'm feeling really cheap. That's just expensive, guys. What do you guys think? You guys think that's just too much? I don't know. And how know if I want tablets or like the gel. Yeah, I want extra strength or maximum strength. That's what we want. Okay. And then I probably will try some Delson. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so we have the NyQuil too. $650. Berry melon. Wow. And these are the ones that are so disgusting, but they work the best, and they're kind of up there in the price too. What flavor is this? I'm gonna get the honey one. Pray for it. Guess I'm gonna get everything honey lemon. And then I wanted to get some chest rub. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna get any tips. And so yeah. I got enough things in the basket there. I'm going to pay for this, and I'm going to get my butt back to this apartment and self-medicate and just relax and try and get to feeling better. You know, guys, thank you for coming along for the ride. I'm trying to pump myself up, but it's really, really tough, I tell you. I do want to just say, again, I appreciate you all so much. Thank you for all the support. I'm gonna push through. We're gonna push through. We're all gonna push through. We're not gonna give in. We're not gonna give up that easily. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you would like, please, give me a like, comment down below, share me out. I would like for other people to see, just kind of me being out and about in, different little areas. And also me hacking up along on camera. And if you don't mind, and if you haven't, please consider subscribing too. It's a Terrence kind of thing. Okay, guys, I will see you on the next banging video. Bye for now. It's a Terrence kind of thing. Doesn't matter what you bring. Come and watch him do his thing. 'Cause it's a Terrence kind of thing.